I'm saying. I as a woman can make juice. Technically, Mauby is not juice, eh? Mauby is bark, which makes it tea. I mean, think about it.
That's a debate I've been having for some time now.
I feel like Mauby is tea. It's not really juice, but I mean, we'll just call it.
What's your definition of juice? Does it have to come from a fruit?
Oh God, now we're gonna get technical. Never mind, guys. I didn't say anything. Mauby is Mauby, the end. Grab your glass and some ice, because this is what you're drinking. And my friend Neil of Verve Creations is here to teach us all about Mauby. So let's get mixing. So guys, I had to bring a pal of mine to teach me what's my granny's favorite drink, is Mauby. Please tell me, how are we starting, Neil?
So, as you know, Mauby is traditional. It's native to the Caribbean. Most of the Caribbean islands has their own signature or their style of creating Mauby.
Okay.
But it all comes from the same bark, the same tree.
Okay.
Which is, within the Caribbean, it's known as either naked wood or snake wood.
Mauby Bark. Mauby Bark.
Right, so it's a pretty simple drink. It's basically, we're going to extract all these flavors from this Mauby Bark.
I was now going to say, it's the smell. It smells real deep.
It's the smell for me.
Earthy. It's the smell for me.
Right, so we're just going to extract all these vibrant flavors from this Mauby Bark and just going to spice it with some additional herbs and spices.
Okay.
A hint of essence as well.
Cool.
And from there, we're going to blend all these flavors together and see how amazing it tastes.
All right.
So first, we'll start with some of the fresh Mauby Bark. It's 1.5 cups to 3 to 4 cups of boiling water. So you just want to steep all this Mauby Bark within this hot boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, so this is just by itself?
Yeah. So now we're going to incorporate our other spices as well.
Ah, okay.
So we have cinnamon sticks.
So we're flavoring it one time?
Basically.
Got it.
All right. We have some aniseed and star anise. So just about 1 teaspoon of star aniseed and 2 star anise.
Got it.
And bay leaves. One of my favorites.
Another good smell.
For sure.
I can smell.
And bay leaf has a lot of natural, how should I say? It makes you relax. So a lot of
good natural properties.
Yes.
It's good for the vibe, good for the energy.
So like parents, they actually make bay leaf tea for their kids.
Not my mommy. Not my
They actually have those properties to make you relax and sleep. So
for
for a mocktail, if you're doing a mocktail, bay leaf is a really good ingredient to be utilized, a substitute for the alcohol.
I feel you.
It gives you that natural relaxation.
So now all of our Mauby business is in. Is that it? Anything else?
So here we're just going to incorporate some vanilla essence.
Okay. Got it.
I mean, we're from the Caribbean, right? So we love spices, we love flavor.
It has to be tasty, guys. Has to be tasty.
Sure.
And so we leave this here to boil?
So we just want to give it a little stir, and we're going to leave this to steep in hot water for...
I could get a little spoon.
Well, for now, today we're going to keep it natural. We're using Mauby Bark. It can't get much more natural than this, right?
Wait, we're stirring the Mauby with a Mauby stick?
It's not a Mauby stick.
It's not a Mauby stick?
No, it's not from the naked wood tree.
You should have brought me a Mauby stick.
I actually picked this tree right here in Trinidad and made that swizzle stick for myself.
Ah, so I had a swizzle it, you mean? I could just stir it. So we just give it a little turn and then we leave it to boil?
Yeah, so you're going to leave this to steep for at least 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
You want to extract all those natural flavors from those spices.
Do we leave it covered or uncovered?
I recommend you covered.
All right. So let's cover it and we'll check back.
For sure. So we're back with our Mauby extract. So it's going to be a bit bitter.
A bit?
Yeah, it's going to be a bit. Just a bit.
It's going to be very bitter.
Right. So, however, this is where we're going to add some sugar. I recommend brown sugar or demerara sugar.
Okay.
It gives you a lot more character and body to the extract, right? So this is already measured. We're going to add 1.5 to 2 cups of sugar. It all depends on your preference. Some persons prefer their Mauby a bit more on the bitter side, whereas some like it a little bit sweet.
What do you like?
Come on, I'm Caribbean, I like it all sweet.
It needs to have a little bitter kick for me, a little something to remind me that I'm drinking Mauby.
And another important fact about mixology,
Yeah.
sugar actually binds flavors together. So
Okay.
if you, for example, I'm sure you've made Kool-Aid growing up.
At least once or twice.
Right. So when you add water to this powdered Kool-Aid and you taste it, you ever tasted it before you add sugar?
Yeah. Oh, I play fast, a little thing on the finger.
Right,
I might
it's
have tasted
bitter,
it.
there's no taste.
Terrible.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
horrible. But the minute you add sugar there, it's
Magic.
boom. All those flavors starts appearing, right?
Well, throw in my sugar now, friend.
So here we
Let's
go.
sweeten up.
Alright. So
We're going to mix up just that much.
Yeah.
All right,
and
sure.
ensure that it's well.
You want some help?
Sure.
I'm a good stirrer, you know.
Let's-
I have my degree in stirring at least. I mean, come
Yeah,
on.
so you could really
Action.
make juice.
I'm saying. I as a woman can make juice. Technically, Mauby is not juice, eh? Mauby is bark,
Well.
which makes it tea. I mean, think about it.
That's a debate I've been having for some time now.
I feel like Mauby is tea. It's not really juice, but I
So
mean,
what's your
we'll just call it.
What's your definition of juice? Does it have to come from a fruit?
Oh God, now we're gonna get technical. Never mind, guys. I didn't say anything. Mauby is Mauby. The end. All right, so
Mauby extract.
basically Mauby extract. I think that's fine. So we just keep stirring until all of it is nice and dissolved.
Nice. Yeah. So you try to incorporate the sugar while the extract is a bit hot still, so that the sugar crystals will dissolve much faster.
Ah, okay, no problem. Well, I feel like, yeah, man.
We're all dissolved.
We somewhere close to all dissolved, you know. I'm not seeing anything coming up in the spoon.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's good.
we're fine. We're
So
fine.
now we're gonna add some water. We're
Okay.
250 ml or 1 cup of water.
So this is a full jug. This is a family jug.
Yeah. So we add water and we get our preferred taste.
Yeah.
You can just stuff it in the fridge, let it chill, and whenever you're ready to consume, you just fill your glass with ice.
And that's it.
drink away.
That's it. All right.
Easy as 1, 2, 3. So we
I'm
just added
excited.
half liter.
Just give it a final stir.
Yeah.
Bring it together. And that is it, my
You
friends.
want taste?
I
Taste.
absolutely want to taste. No, I want a full glass. I don't want a little
No, we
taste.
gotta ensure that it matches our.
You taste that.
Flavor.
I want the end product.
I love
feel.
it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Is your taste a Mauby? So
Yes,
it's
for
sweet.
sure.
That's okay. I'll drink
It's
it
not-
sweet.
It's not that sweet. I love a perfect balance.
All right. Fair
So,
enough.
Just gonna ice our glass.
Sure. I am ready. We are having Mauby and Mauby. That's all. So nice. Now we must taste the product. I'm trusting that this is perfect. The best Mauby I'll ever drink in my life.
I highly guarantee it is.
You're saying something. He's saying something. Guys, this is nice, refreshing. You get that little bit of bitter from the Mauby, but of course, a subtle taste on the palate. Excellent. Good job. I'm glad we did this Mauby. Please tell us if you try this recipe. Mauby's a Caribbean fave. Must
For
be
sure.
done. Must be done.
Caribbean wine.
Of course. And be sure to check out Neil at Verve_Creations on Instagram and check us out on Foodie Nation. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Cheers.